Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can use Omegle video chat over on your smartphone. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's get started. First of all, what you can do, you're gonna open up any of your browser. Over here, you're gonna type in omegle.com, and then here where it says meet strangers with your interests. So if you want, you can type any tags. So let's say I'm going to write TikTok, and then Snapchat, and then student, something like that. And make sure you have to add a comma after every tag. And you can see our tags are added. Now you just have to select video, check these two options and click confirm and continue, and your video chat will be started. That's how you can use Omegle video chat over on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.